welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, welcome into my old tribe. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. If you want to see what we've just recently achieved, can you run to my Instagram page, which is Mwaka the Wifepreneur NA. See what we have done in the past, in just this month of November. Just quickly run there and see what we have achieved. So yeah, I'm so excited and thank you so much. You guys motivate me, you keep me going, and that's why I'm here today to share with you my secret strategy that I use to get a perfect topic or a perfect title for a digital product that is profitable, especially now that we are heading in 2021. 2021 is just a month away from now. If you want to start a business online, you need to start putting your strategies in place today. So to begin with, I would like to believe that you have a target audience that you want to sell your digital product to. So you start writing down the ideas or topics that comes around the pain that your audience have, your target audience have. Yes, what is the pain that they're facing? How do you want to solve it? How can you help them solve this problem? So for example, people want to start a YouTube channel in 2021, but they don't know where to start. And this is people who are aged maybe 18 to 25 or 18 to 30. You know, these are most people that are active. They live their life on social media, but they just don't know how to make it right on YouTube. Right? They want to try to, vlog and things like, but they don't know, maybe the lighting settings, their videos don't come out so perfect. That is an example of a pain. So that's a pain that people are going through. Once I'm done with that step, then I go on to the research. With research, I mostly use my Instagram polls. Wherever you share whatever content that you want to share on your stories, and then maybe after 2 stories, then you put a sticker with a poll. The poll is that yes or no. Another way that I use to do the research on a certain topic is through my WhatsApp status. I share the topic that I have picked on, then I see how people react to it. And I also do another research through my competitors or people in my niche that have already an established YouTube channel. I go through their comments on specific videos that speaks to new YouTubers, or how to start vlogging, or how to start YouTube and stuff like that. I go through such videos through the comments and see what other people are commenting, what are potential YouTubers want to learn more about. Then you see all the pains, they'll write down all their pains, all their problems in the comment section. Sometimes if that YouTube page is too big, the owner of that YouTube channel won't be able to see that problem or that comment in the right time frame to respond to their problem. So this is the opportunity for you to get that problem. For Instagram, I do it for other forums like Quora. It's the same thing that I do. So you research, you say that really people are actually looking for this thing, or people are actually looking for solution to this problem. So once I'm done with that, then I move on stage, which is called validation. Under validation, you want to make sure that you don't commit to something. You don't start writing that ebook, or you don't make that video, without validating and making sure that the people that are following you, the people that are around you, the people that are seeing your content actually need it. So with validation, I make sure that I start creating content around that topic. So that I see how people respond to this solution that I'm trying to bring to them. And on my stories, I may share tips and tricks. I can share reels on the same topic, and also share quotes. So those are just examples of how I can validate my topic. Through that validation process, I'll see writing in my DMs, they're telling me, no, I need so much information, I need clarity on this was a good point, can you please elaborate? Because most of the people are shy to write on the comment section, they go to my DMs. So yeah, that is just basically how I validate my content. Another way of making sure that you're validating your content is I use a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. With Keywords Everywhere, I put in a keyword to that topic, and then it will show me what other questions are people asking around that same topic. So this will give me an idea of how to polish it out so that I can give the right solution to the right problem that people have. And then another extension that I use is vidIQ on YouTube. We know YouTube is the second largest search engine. So from Google with keywords everywhere, I go to YouTube. I put a keyword again in the search engine. It will show me videos of that topic of it, or did people appreciate that video, or it will also show me if I have to, if the competition is too high, if it's a lot of people creating content around that topic, then it's not going to be a good idea for me to, you know, shoot that or to film that video, because everyone is doing that video. But if the competition is low and it's an evergreen content, so it means that I can, you know, make that video and people will watch it. Finally, I'll start with an ebook. I'll create a freebie. I'll create a free ebook where I share whatever pains that my followers are going through, and then the solutions that people are, and the solutions to their problem. So once I'm done with that, I'll share it as a freebie. Friends and family, whatever, will give me feedback. They'll be like, no, they need more information on a certain topic, they need more information on XYZ, or maybe they bring more questions, and this will help you that freebie and turn it into a digital product, or turn it into an ebook that you can sell. This is actually a good way for you to start making money online. Like, you cannot just wake up one day and be an expert at writing ebooks. You need to start with freebies. You need to start small so that people can gain your trust, so that you can also experiment and see if you have the skills of specific digital products. If you don't know what digital products are and whatever I'm talking about in this video, you need to go and watch another video where I share 5 digital products that you can sell in 2021, and I'll leave the link somewhere on the screen and also in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share and share and share. We're on a journey to 100 subscribers. So far we have 65, guys. I just need 45, then we can make it happen. Thank you. See you in my next one.